Hello everyone, today I will show you how to delete all trash at once in Notion. And here's how it is done. To begin, go to Google and type book_delete_notion_pages/. Once you are in the homepage, click the highlighted. Visit the website to be redirected to another page that contains all the instructions on how to delete all trash at once in Notion. From here, just follow the given instructions, such as drag and drop this link empty Notion trash to your bookmarks bar. Next, go to your Notion. Click the trash button located at the bottom left part of your screen. To delete all of your trash at once, click the empty Notion trash option that you drag and drop to your bookmarks bar. Click it multiple times, then you will slowly see that your trash is being deleted. Refresh your Notion. Then go to your trash to check if all were deleted. And that's everything you need to know about how to delete all trash at once in Notion. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring!